Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be showing you how to do cut crease in 3 easy steps. This is just an eye tutorial, and if you want to know how I usually do my cut crease, please keep on watching. So before we get into actual tutorial, I'm gonna apply first concealer in my eyelid as my eyeshadow base and set it with the powder. So now that my eyes are prepped, we can now proceed to the first step, and that is actually to build the crease. So what we're gonna do is take your eyeshadow, and what I am having here is my Chocolate and Peaches eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. And I'm taking this shade here, a light brown eyeshadow, and applying it on my crease back and forth and blending it well. After making it sure it is all blend well, I'm gonna add this medium brown shade to deepen my crease more. And then blend all the edges with clean fluffy brush before going to the next step. The next step is actually to cut the crease. So what I usually do is take my concealer and put some amount at the back of my hand and take a flat brush or your concealer brush. And what I'm gonna do is slowly touch and feel starting at the near socket and start marking the area where I wanna cut the crease by slowly dragging the brush downward, and with the same brush, I'm going to fill in the rest of the lid. Believe it or not, the last step is to decorate the crease. Here I'm taking this silver shimmery shade from Salute Paris eyeshadow palette and apply it directly on the area where we apply the concealer. You can leave it blank or apply a skin tone on top, but for me, I want to go on a little bit of blank. And then you can go ahead, start decorate your cut crease even more. now the final thing that you could do to decorate your cut crease is to add some glitters. So here I'm using my silver eyeliner and apply it exactly where our crease is cut to add some bit of dimension to the whole look. And for the last touch for our eye makeup, I'm gonna apply a brown shade of eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So guys, this is the final look of the eyes. I hope you enjoyed watching these videos and I hope this 3-step cut crease really helps you. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one.